Welcome back. Are you noticing the water in your sink isn't draining very quickly, or maybe not at all? It may be time to call a plumber.
That's right. If you're looking for a local business built from the ground up with personable and knowledgeable experts, Bergsma Plumbing is the number to keep handy. Take a look.
I started when I was actually living in a duplex. I had a $600 van. We started in 2007 and just grew it to what it is today, offering services for commercial, for residential, for service and repair, drain rehabilitation, drain cleaning, and water treatment. What happens is you get scale buildup in a lot of cast iron pipes, and that's where people get a lot of paper clogs. All the paper will actually coagulate. The toilet paper will actually, and all the solids that go down there will coagulate inside the pipe because it's almost rust inside there. So we can go in and we clean that rust out with a specially engineered tool for your pipe size. That's carbide bit that actually cleans that cast iron completely and rehabilitates it to almost like new. Drano is going to eat through your cast iron pipes. So Drano is actually an acid that'll eat and damage your pipes, whereas this is going to actually clean that scale off it and rehabilitate it. And you'll see in the videos what we're doing. We're cleaning it, but we're cleaning it with a carbide bit that's almost like sandpaper that's getting all that rust off, because you'll get rust chunks in there that are an inch deep, and it's almost like having sandpaper inside there. Some of them, I mean, will almost close the pipe right off to where none of your solids will even go through there. In addition to that, we can run a liner through that. It's not really cost effective for internal pipes. Internal pipes, we just do the, rehabilitation with a carbide bit. But if you're going out to your main line, we can actually run a sleeve out there that almost turns it into PVC. A lot of times a standard drain cleaning machine, cable machine, won't clean the roots completely. So this being engineered properly to the pipe size will actually completely clean out all the roots, especially in the wintertime when you have a lot of snow on the ground and there's no water going through. The roots get thirsty, so then they have to go and look for water somewhere. So they find voids in your plumbing system to go in, and then that's where they're going to get their water when there's no water coming through. That's where it's nice when we do our pipe liners, because that seals off any of those voids in the pipe. Well, the liner can eliminate the root problem. The coat rehabilitation clears the scale and will clear out the roots, but the roots will always come back if you don't fill the voids. That's more for the scale and to completely clean the pipe. So it's custom to the size of the pipe. So it can scale it without damaging. It'll get rid of the rust, but it won't damage any of the piping that you have in your home. We'll have a camera that goes down there, and you can see your roots, you can see the scale. And if anyone ever wants to give us a call just to get a visual of their plumbing system, the internal plumbing system, they can just give us a call and see, because you'd be pretty surprised on what you see in there, especially with an old home and where your problems are coming. We can do kitchen lines, which get in a lot of grease. You get a lot of grease, and a lot of when you run a cable through a kitchen line, you don't clean it all the way. So with this system, you clean it all the way of any grease. You are able to get all that grease out of there. Bathroom, shower, drains, any of those things we can rehabilitate with this system. People have lots of options, but when they call us, they're getting highly trained plumbing professionals. Very personable. They know the area, they know the people, they know a lot of the homes in West Michigan because they've been in the plumbing industry from 20 to 30 years.
It's a great local business. Encourage you to give them a call. You want to learn more? Just go to bergsmaplumbing.com or call them up, 616-813-5219.